Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at JRDigital.com. In this video guys, we'll take a look at RecipeSites. Now in the nutshell guys, this is a brand new app or software that will let you guys create a stunning and beautiful looking recipe website or recipe sites. Right now, this is your recipe sites looks like guys, and this is a really beautiful and stunning website guys that you can monetize and be proud of. And the best part, you don't need to worry about the technical aspects of creating and designing your website guys, because it's all automated. Your website is fully loaded with 1000 plus done for you multiple niches, multiple niche food recipes guys, plus 20 plus cuisine categories. You can also create your own categories inside of your recipe website. Now guys, people will love this kind of website guys because you're providing value, and there's a lot of people out there guys, including myself, searching on the search engine or searching on Google simple things like how to cook spaghetti, or what are the ingredients of spaghetti, or how to cook shrimp, how to cook pasta. Right now you can help those people, and you can monetize this website guys with different kind of monetization strategies. I'm going to talk about that later in this video, but basically I really like the website. And when you click one of this, let's say garlic shrimp, click on this one right here, it will take you to this page right here where you provide a step-by-step instructions on how to cook shrimp. You can add an image right here, you can add in a video right here, and you don't need to create this video yourself. You can just grab this video from YouTube, and you can add in ingredients. You can add in the ingredients right here, and then how to cook that shrimp or how to cook that spaghetti by adding a step-by-step instructions right here or directions right here. And you can, just like I said, you can monetize this guys in different ways and make money with this. Right, I'm gonna talk about that monetization part later in this video, but before that guys, now as you can see, I'm inside of the dashboard of this app right here. Now before, I'm gonna walk you through inside of this app guys, but it's really simple. It's really easy to create a website. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need to learn coding guys in order for you to create this beautiful looking website guys. And I know that people will love this, and your family and friends will love this kind of website guys. Alright guys, now let me show you first my bonuses. When you guys click the link below this video, which is the first link, it will take you to my bonus page that looks something like this. Alright guys, so this is my bonus page for recipe sites, and we scroll down at the bottom portion of this page, you can get access guys to all of my custom made bonuses specific only for recipe sites. My bonus number 1 guys, I'm gonna give you guys access to the exact automation software or email list building software that I am currently using right now. Now inside of your recipe sites dashboard or app right here, you will get access into you can build an email list right here with your newsletter sign up form right here, and you'll be able to access those leads inside of your newsletter section right here, where you'll be able to access into these leads right here, and you can export this and download these leads. And this is where my bonus number 1 comes in. I'm gonna give you guys access to my exact list building tool that I am currently using right now guys. This is gonna help you build your email list and monetize your list by sending out the promotional emails. Right, this is an all-in-one platform. This comes with landing page builders, opt-in pages, squeeze page creator, or automation software or autoresponder. Right, so that is my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2 guys, this is really useful and super helpful. I'm going to show you how to drive 15,000 to 600,000 per month traffic or visitor into your website guys without spending thousands of dollars. Alright, because if you don't have traffic going on into your website, then you cannot really make money with this. So in this bonus, I'm going to show you exactly how you can drive up to 600,000 monthly traffic into your website and make money. Alright, so that is my bonus number 2. My bonus number 3, I'm gonna show you guys how to write an SEO optimized and unique recipe article or any kind of content without writing a single word. Now this is really useful because inside of your website, you can produce your own recipes right here by clicking on this recipes, and you can add your own recipes right here if you want to add your own recipe. And if you don't know how to write an article or content about specific recipe, then this bonus can really help you guys out. This will help you. I'm going to show you how to write an SEO optimized and unique article or recipe article, guys, into your website. That way you can publish a brand new article if you wanted to create a brand new article. But just like I said a while ago, your website or your recipe site is fully loaded with done for you 1000 plus recipes right here. That includes these images and these videos and content or instructions of that recipes, right? So yeah, that is my bonus number 3. My bonus number 4, guys, I'm gonna give you guys access into this premium software that will let you guys create this product or ebook cover like this, because you can also like create a product cover into your website and create a product cover like this. Let's say in this ebook, this is where you learn how to cook spaghetti. This is where you can create this beautiful looking 3D mock-up or 3D product cover into your recipe or into your recipe website or into your recipe product, right? So yeah, that is my bonus number 4. And then my bonus number 5, I'm gonna give you guys access into this digital product cover creator software that will let you guys create a product mock-up like this, a product bundle mock-up like this, or a backshot, something like, let me show you that backshots. Right, this backshots right here, you can create a digital product like this. So if you wanted to publish your own product, if you wanted to create a product mock-up or bundle of a specific product, or let's say an ingredients, then you can create a mock-up or a product cover like this or like this, right? Yeah, so that is my bonus number 5. And then I'm gonna give you guys access to my 100 plus premium bonuses right here. This is my private premium bonus bundle right here, right? So I'm gonna put this in this link right here, that way you can see what are these bonuses, but you will get access to all of this for free as well as part of my bonuses right here. Alright, and no one else is offering you guys this kind of bonuses because this is exclusive to me, and you cannot get this kind of bonus anywhere else, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna scroll down right here, that way you can see what are those bonuses that you can get from me as well right here. You can actually pause the video if you wanted to read what are these bonuses right here, but basically these are premium products, guys, right? So yeah, it will take us a lot of time if I would show all of this to you, but basically, guys, you will get access, guys, to this 100 premium bonus bundle and all of my custom made bonuses right here, specific only for recipe sites, right? So yeah, so when you click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, it will take you this to the sales page that looks something like this. The headline says world first AI and cloud-based software lets you create self-updating food and recipe website loaded with 1000 plus multiple niche food recipes and 20 plus cuisine categories in just 45 seconds, right? So let me walk you through inside of the members area or inside of this app right here. Now once you log in into your account, let me show you that right here. So this is the first thing that you can see right here. All right, now all you have to do is to click on the settings right here, and then this is where you update the settings of your website. You change the language, you put a title of that website, copyright, you can upload your own logo, fav icon, time zone, description right here. And the best part, guys, you can optimize your website, guys, with search engine, because you can put a meta description right here. You can optimize your website, that way you can get free traffic from Google or any kind of search engine. And then contact information, this is where you place your email, phone number, and then the support contact number right here, and then social media. You can connect different multiple social media accounts inside of your website right here. That way you can build your brand, you can build your following, and get more traffic into your website. All right. And then API keys, you can actually connect this with Google Analytics, guys. Just place a Google API right here. That way you can monetize. That way you can monitor the the traffic of your website. All right. So that's the settings, and then you can create a slider. Now slider is this thing right here. Let me show you that slider. So this is the slider right here. So this is where you set up your slider. You can add in a brand new slider right here. You can add in multiple slider right here. You can add in a brand new slider. If you wanted to add a brand new slider right here, you can put a title and then upload an image right here, and then select which type of website is that. All right. And then users right here, you can add in an administrator. You can add in a normal users right here. Right, you can invite user into your website. All right. And then categories right here, just like I said a while ago, you can create your own category right here. But there is an inbuilt category right here. You might not need to create your own category, but if you wanted to create your own category, just click on this add new category. It will let you create your own category right here. And then recipes, this is where you manage all of your recipes right here. You can delete the recipes, you can edit the recipes, or you can add in a brand new recipes right here. Alright guys, so this is where you add your own recipe right here. You can select a category right here, title, permalinks right here, the difficulty, easy, medium, hard, this preparing time right here, this description, directions, ingredients right here, and meta description right here. And you can add in your own image right here, or thumbnail image right here, or you can use my software, this software right here that will let you create this product cover like this. And then you can upload that image right here, and then click on save, and then it will let you submit that recipe inside of your website, and you can view that recipe in your website right here. Alright, and then next one is the tips and tricks right here. So this is that section right here. So you can add in your own text and tips right here. So let's say you wanted to create a brand new article that will help people, tips and tricks when it comes to cooking, then you can add in the tips and tricks right here. Alright, and then newsletter, just like I said a while ago, this is where you access to your leads, because you can build your email list with your newsletter right here. So you can export these leads, and then you can upload these leads and send out a promotional emails into your list in my bonus number 1 right here. And then this is where you monetize your website, guys. Alright, you can add in an advertisement like this banners right here, this banners right here. You can add in that banner into your website, and then you can also, let me click on this button right here. So this is where you add in an advertisement right here. You can select a website, and then title right here, which type of banner. Let's say an image banner right here. You can select the image banner, or you can place a Google AdSense or an ads right here. So let's say you have a Google AdSense account. Basically, Google AdSense is 100% free. You can sign up for free and just copy and paste your AdSense code right here. And every time someone visits on your website, you have an ads in your website, and they click on the ads, then you will get paid every time someone clicks on the ads or on the advertisement inside of your website. Alright, and then pages, this is where you create your pages. Say you wanted to create a brand new page like homepage, categories, recipes, or contact us page, or about us page. You can also do that by adding a brand new page right here. This is where you create a brand new page right here. By the way, guys, there are some upsells of this app, guys, but the front end is only $17, and you will get all of these features right here, and you can create a beautiful and stunning recipe site like this. This comes with hosting and domain, so you'll never have to pay for hosting and domain. Alright, and then upsell number 1 is the reseller license, or the unlimited version of this that comes with unlimited reseller license, and you'll get all of these features right here. And then option number 2, guys, is the agency license, or the agency version of this, which is $47. And then the next upsell is the white label, which is only $67, guys. You can white label the software. And then next upsell, guys, is this done for you app edition. Next upsell is done for you traffic. Next upsell, guys, is stock editions right here. Alright, guys, so yeah, those are all of things that you can expect, guys, inside of RecipeSites. And just like I said a while ago, guys, all of my bonuses are waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account, and you can get instant access to all of my bonuses after your purchase of site recipe. And for some reason you're gonna access my bonuses, all you have to do is send me out an email. I have an email below this video. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next review video. Bye. Love you. Bye.